Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the fastest, high-impact steps. First, make sure the camera is powered and physically connected. A loose USB or covered lens is the most common cause. Once done, close any app that might lock the camera and fully restart Teams. This frees the device. Then go into Teams Settings, Devices, and select the intended camera while watching the preview so you see whether Teams can access the feed immediately. Now you move to deeper fixes, drivers and permissions. You should check Device Manager, update the camera driver, or roll it back if a recent update caused the issue. Meanwhile, verify system privacy settings. On Windows, go to Settings, Privacy, Camera, and enable camera access for apps and specifically for Microsoft Teams so the app is allowed to open the device. Once permissions are set, test the camera in the Windows Camera app to confirm the OS. Finish with advanced execution and a final troubleshooting tip. Disable hardware acceleration in Teams and clear the Teams cache. These resolve rendering and resource conflicts. If that fails, plug the camera into a different USB port or try an external webcam and test Teams in the browser, Edge, or Chrome to isolate the desktop app. Reinstall Teams if necessary, and as a last system-level step, consider updating BIOS or camera firmware. If none of this works, the key tip: swap to a known good camera to confirm hardware versus software failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.